The 2023 model year Canyon introduces the first-ever Canyon AT4X option to its lineup. Building on the success of AT4, the AT4X sub-brand is the ultimate expression of GMC's commitment to delivering serious off-road capability. Off-road equipment, factory lift and ultra-wide track. 2023 Canyon comes standard with an off-road suspension package featuring an ultra-wide track and 2-inch factory lift for elevation. AT4 and Denali trims and a standard 3-inch factory lift on AT4X. The lifted, high and wide chassis offers a standard 9.6 inches of ground clearance, 10.7-inch ground clearance available on AT4X trim, for improved approach, departure and breakover angles. Multimatic DSSV shocks. The latest Multimatic DSSV shocks, standard on AT4X only, offer control and comfort on-road, and robust performance for extended off-road adventures. Off-road optimized 2.7L turbo engine, standard across all trims. The high-torque, off-road optimized 2.7L turbo engine provides a best-in-class gas engine with 430 lb-ft of torque, GM estimated. Enhanced front and rear electronic locking differentials for optimized traction, standard on the Canyon AT4X trim. The 2023 Canyon's available front and rear e-lockers allow drivers to engage the front or rear axles to lock both wheels at the same